Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 287 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about finding rooted calm, connecting to your inner stability, even as the seasons shift around you. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the ground beneath you. Notice how it supports you effortlessly. Imagine roots extending from the base of your spine, your feet deep into the earth, steady, calm, and strong. You are safe, you are grounded, and you are held. Now, say to yourself, I am rooted in calm. I stand steady in changing seasons. And the earth supports me as I grow. Let the image of those roots remind you, peace isn't found in control, but in connection. You can move slowly, breathe deeply, and trust that you are supported. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present moment and carry this sense of rooted calm with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.